What is fire? When the primitive man first learned to make fire and use it for his own needs, he saw it as the greatest of all gifts to mankind. In the beginning he feared it, but later started worshipping it. Even today, it is vital for human life. We use it to keep us warm and to cook our food. Most of our machines are run by the burning of various fuels. But what is fire? What makes things burn, and where does the heat energy come from? Answers to these questions were not known until the end of 18th century. However, the science of today can answer all these questions. The French chemist Antoine Lavoiser conducted a Nuremberg of experiments to understand the nature of fire. Fire is the result of a chemical reaction which takes place between the fuel and oxygen. In such a reaction, two substances combine to form one or more new substances. Common fuels like wood, coal and petrol are mainly made up of carbon and hydrogen. When they burn, oxygen combines with carbon to form carbon dioxide and with hydrogen to form water. In any flame, carbon particles that rise up from the fuel and dust particles which become red hot after coming in contact with the hot gases are easily noticeable. Now the question arises, how do things burn? For a fuel to burn, it must be brought to a certain temperature called the ignition point. At this temperature, the fuel starts burning. This burning produces enough heat to keep the fire going till the whole quantity of fuel is consumed. How is heat produced during the process of combustion? Oxygen molecules break the molecules of the fuel and combine with its fragments. The energy released by the combination of oxygen with the fragments of the fuel molecules appears as heat. Combustion is mainly of two types, slow and rapid. In rapid combustion, both heat and light are produced. Burning of the fuels is an example of it. In slow combustion, the process of oxidation is slow. In this, the amount of heat produced is radiated out to the atmosphere. Slow combustion, no flame is produced. This type of combustion takes place during the process of digestion of food. The energy produced during the digestion is utilized for warming up the body. When a substance burns, the total weight of resulting materials, i.e. ash, gases, are more than the initial weight of the substance, since the weight of oxygen used